Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Suites. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Bowling Green, 2.2 miles from Sloan Convention Center, Comfort Suites has accommodations with a fitness center, free private parking, a shared lounge and a spa and wellness center. Among the facilities at this property are a 24-hour front desk and a business center, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Guests can have a drink at the snack bar. At the hotel, rooms have a desk, complete with a private bathroom equipped with a shower and free toiletries. All rooms at Comfort Suites have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning, and some rooms also feature a seating area. At the accommodation, the rooms have bed linen and towels. The daily breakfast offers buffet, a la carte or American options. Comfort Suites has a grill. CrossWinds Golf Course is 2.5 miles from the hotel, while Paul Walker Golf Course is 3.1 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Nashville International Airport, 66 miles from Comfort Suites. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.